I have bad news for those of you hoping to reign in heaven with the Messiah. We've been taught that if we live right, we'll go to heaven. But what if that's not what the scriptures actually say? Today, we're not following tradition. We're going straight to the Word, line upon line, precept upon precept. Because according to Scripture, no man has ascended to heaven, and when the Messiah returns, he's not taking us up, he's coming down. Let's go to the Word. We all grew up hearing it. Pastors preaching about the kingdom of heaven, telling you to pay tithes, come to church, and live right so you can make it to heaven. But the real question is, when the Messiah returns, will believers reign in heaven, or have we been taught something that isn't written? Here's the good news. If you keep the commandments, laws, and statutes, yes, you will be part of his kingdom, but that kingdom will be here on earth, not in heaven. According to the scriptures, no one is going to heaven to reign with the Messiah. The Messiah is coming down to rule here on earth. That's why it's important to study and seek the Most High for wisdom and understanding. Let's go to the Word. Psalms 115:3. The heaven, even the heavens, are the Lord's, but the earth hath he given to the children of men. Isaiah 28:10. Precept upon precept, line upon line, here a little, there a little. John 3:13. And no man hath ascended up to heaven, but he that came down from heaven. The Messiah will be king, ruling on earth. I know some of you are probably debating this, maybe even shaking your head. But let's go further. Revelation 21:1-5. Then I saw a new heaven and a new earth. The first heaven and the first earth had disappeared, and there was no sea anymore. 2. And I saw the holy city, the new Jerusalem, coming down out of heaven from God. It was prepared like a bride dressed for her husband. 3. And I heard a loud voice from the throne saying, Now God's presence is with people, and he will live with them, and they will be his people. God himself will be with them, and will be their God. 4. He will wipe away every tear from their eyes, and there will be no more death, sadness, crying, or pain, because all the old ways are gone. 5. The one who was sitting on the throne said, Look, I am making everything new. Then he said, Write this, because these words are true and can be trusted. Did you catch it? The holy city, New Jerusalem, coming down out of heaven from God. Now think about that. If we were all going to heaven to reign, why would the New Jerusalem come down? Let's go to Jeremiah 23:5. A king shall reign and prosper, and execute judgment and righteousness in the earth. Where will he reign? In the earth, that's clear. Now listen closely. Isaiah 9:6-7. 6. For to us a child is born, to us a son is given, and the government will be on his shoulders, and he will be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace. 7. Of the greatness of his government and peace there will be no end. He will reign on David's throne and over his kingdom, establishing and upholding it with justice and righteousness from that time on and forever. The zeal of the Lord Almighty will accomplish this. Key line, he will reign on David's throne. Where was David's throne? Jerusalem. And what do we see in Revelation? New Jerusalem coming down from heaven. So who is that king? The child spoken of in prophecy, the Messiah. And where will he reign? On earth, in Jerusalem. There is no confusion about it. You can go even further. Micah 5:2. But you, Bethlehem Ephrathah, though you are small among the clans of Judah, out of you will come for me one who will be ruler over Israel, whose origins are from of old, from ancient times. So we can cross out the idea that we will be in heaven reigning with the Messiah, because Scripture shows something different. Let's confirm it again. Revelation 21:3. Now God's presence is with people, and he will live with them. Not us going up, but him coming down. My prayer is that for those of you who are truly seeking the Most High, that He opens your eyes to see the truth within the Torah and gives you wisdom and understanding. Be blessed. Seek the Most High while He may be found. And study. Ecclesiastes 12:13. Fear God and keep His commandments, for this is the whole duty of man. Remember to click on the subscribe button, like, and comment. You can also visit us at www.forrealtalk.com. Search us on TikTok at For Real Talk Bible. Thank you for watching. Be blessed.